Would you like to pass from this to this in your t-shirt design in Teespring? This video is the best tutorial, the best guide to create your own design and to place them in your t-shirt and receive it at home. This is the design I want to place on my t-shirt. It's important to create the size of the page where you will design your logo. It has to be big enough to create the amount of pixels necessary to create a high quality image for your t-shirt. You are watching now on the screen the size I use to design my templates for my t-shirts. You can copy. Secondly, super important, before to start to create your logos in the design program you use, make sure you do it in this model of color. Don't use the RGB model to create designs. The model we use to create colors on internet is different to what we have to use in real life. In website, we can create all colors combining red, green and blue. In real life, we have to use 4 colors to create the rest of them: cyan, magenta, yellow and black. And that generates differences between the colors we can obtain on internet than the colors we can obtain in real life. It's not possible to transfer some colors that exist on internet to real life. So to create this red in real life, we need different combination of colors than to create this red on internet. So we have the logo. It's time to upload to the Teespring platform. You have to go to create product at the top. How to upload our design? You have to go to add image here. In this button, the logo will be on the t-shirt example in this model. As you can see, the template size that I mentioned before is perfect. You can add a design at the back. You have to repeat the same process we did before. Add image or to place your logo, to decide the size, and that's it. And you can pull the design to make it bigger or smaller. It's important to read this black square above of the design. Make sure the print quality is still on grade. If you maximize too much your logo type, quality will be lower. As you can see here, pass from great to good because I make too much bigger the logo. You can select the colors. In my case, I will only select a couple of them. Obviously the red, which is the color I want. Also white and silver. You can set the price you want. Always you produce profits. There's a base price. The company also gain money with it. So you cannot put the price you want. You put $10 for this product, there's no profit, so it's not possible. You have to set the price at least in $20. You start to gain profit. In this case, I will gain 65 cents per t-shirt shell. Obviously, it's not ideal. It's 25 is a very good price. Per every t-shirt people buy to me, I will gain $5.65. You can set the price in euros. Normally, you have to set a higher price because of the shipping timings and shipping taxes or whatever that makes product in Europe a bit expensive. And normally add more higher prices in euros than in dollars. Continue. Once you know the price, the colors, everything you need here at the left side, you can also create not only one t-shirt design, you can reproduce the same design in stickers, in crew neck, in women's classic tee and max. You can repeat the same process but in different products before to publish the listing. I only want this t-shirt with this logo. Continue. You have to put the name. In this case, I put sample name. This is an example. I do it for this video. The description of your design. Once you have the title, the description, and your t-shirt with your logo, your color designs, you can launch listing, generating products. That's it. You go to view listing. Here is your t-shirt, the price at the top and your logo. And now it's the moment to buy our own design to check that it's printable. Let's see how we can get a sample on Teespring. You have to go to your listings. This is the sample we create for this video. Let's get a sample. I will do it in real because I really want this sample, the t-shirt I designed. I want to receive this model in my home. The only thing you have to do is order a sample. In my case, I did 4 models for this design. I want the classic tee in deep red and 1 unit. The price, as you can see here, is only $16.50. If I go to my store to buy this same model, I will pay probably $25. The other price I set for the people who wants to buy a t-shirt like this one. That's why it's important get a sample, not to buy your own t-shirt on the store, because you will pay more money for it. Continue checkout. In my case, it will be a bit expensive. I have to pay for the shipping because I'm not living in the US. The basement of Teespring is in California. If they need to shipping the product and sending to you, you have to pay an overprice for it. Finally, I bought my sample products order 1. There's 2 ways to track your order. You can click here in your product order, or you can go to, at the left side, my purchases, purchase history, and in the last slot, track order, and here is where you can see how is going on your order. This is the timeline of how Teespring works. First the order place, then printing, then ship, and finally deliver. Teespring delivers across all over the world. It's a worldwide platform. You can order your samples from wherever the country you are, no problem. The only difference is the time delivered will be shorter or longer, depends of you are living. If you are living in the USA, probably the time delivered will be around 3, 4, 5 days. In my case, I'm in Europe. I will have to wait at least 2 weeks to receive the product. Today is January 12th. Let's wait 2 weeks and let's see if the t-shirt comes to my home. I received the package, and today it's March 7, 2 months later. What happened? I had a problem with the delivery, but this problem, it's perfect to explain how I solve it and how you can solve this same problem in case you have it once you order your samples. And the solution is simple. I should be received this package on my home with the t-shirt at the end of January. 3 weeks later, I ordered the sample. I tried to contact Teespring in some way, and the page that I found to write to the Teespring support team, it's this one. You have to go to Spring. At the end of the main page, go to contact, and there you can send your problem to the team support of Teespring. Once I did that, my sample was shipped and sent to me to my home, and I received it March 7. Today, let's open the package. In red. Here is the logo. Let's wear the t-shirt. Well, now it's your turn. You like it? See you in the next video. Bye bye.